Good morning, Kiwi In Japan gang. I'm going to a culture festival in Ikeda today. I'm going with my school's secretary. She invited me. Sherry and I are going to be going there, and we're both feeling a little bit sick. You can hear in my voice, you can hear in my nose, but we're still going to do it because you say yes to every opportunity, you find new things, and that's what we're going to do today. should be a good day. I'm looking out here over onto the Momo tree, peach tree. I don't know if someone owns this tree or if it's like a community lot, if we can get some free peaches. Cool, man. The sick gang in a kombini. We're buying cough drops.
Oh.
Yeah, I thought I'd do some filming today. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so nice. Going in there. So nice. I'm hungry for a tea ceremony. I don't think we're going to get much food though, to be honest. Oh, do you? Oh, I should have brought some.
Sting like this.
Yes. Oh, like this?
Oh.
Got some great footage. So there's a man that lived in Ikeda, which was the guy who founded the department store, the Hankyu department store, the Hankyu railway, and this is his house. This is his estate. And so we're going to go and have a look now.
It is Spanish.
Spanish, Japanese. Oh yes.
Kobayashi, do you know?
I know now. Wow. There we go, guys. Nichirando. It's really interesting seeing the old-fashioned style with a European influence. 1892 of Japan. I think this is probably exactly what it's like. Even a fireplace as well. There's Cherry doing videos too. It's amazing having these really high ceilings. Oh wow, it's such a good view. Looking out onto the garden. Is this nasty of me to film? There's like a fancy European dining thing going on over there. Fancy. Oh yeah. Fancy European dining. Wow, this is nice. Ooh. Fancy tea room. In the museum, I think we saw photos of him like in here. Yeah. Oh, that's like a fancy room over there. Do you want some food? This is his voice. This area looks cute, quite promising. It's like a mall strip or something. Oh, what the heck? Where are we? What? Oh, Sakamachi Street. There he is, that's Sakamachi. He's a wombat. It says wombat on his body as well. Sugoi. Watashi wa nandemo tabimasu. O susume wa nan desu ka? We will be in the photo. Wow, this temple's really nice. Oh, okay, we have to wash our hands. Whoa! Oh, very good. You're blocking my shot over there.
Sorry, man.
Actually, I don't even know if this is going to be center. I might have done it wrong. Oh well. Bye, Kiwi In Japan gang.